Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2434A. Only 15,000 miles on this, one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cherokee brand new, granite crystal metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty, seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Body is free of dents or dings. This Latitude has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 15,000 miles with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, heating and air conditioning, and that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for the things used most often, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices, select terrain, 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface, 9-speed automatic transmission, manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest with additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 30% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.